Hi, my name is Caroline Brassard. I am originally from Canada, but have been teaching at the school for 17 years. And it's a pleasure to share with you some of the thoughts that we have about the program. I think that one of the key challenges for policymakers is really how to use reliable information for evidence-based policymaking. There's so much data out there, what to trust, what is reliable, and then how to communicate it to the population. It's getting more and more complex now to understand. And so if we think the population doesn't understand why a policy was made or decided, it's probably because we didn't explain it properly. And I think the last challenge I would say is to be able to take a step back and prioritize reflections on understanding the results, the impact of these policies. We don't take enough time to evaluate the results.